Are your KRK KNS 6400 headphones feeling worn out and uncomfortable? Over time, the original ear cushions can start to flake, lose their softness, or simply wear down, making your listening experience less enjoyable. What if you could restore that fresh, comfortable feel without buying a whole new pair? The KRK KNS 6400 headphone replacement ear cushions offer an easy, affordable solution to bring your headphones back to life. I've seen firsthand how these replacement cushions can transform tired headphones. One user shared that although it takes a little time to break them in, the cushions quickly make the headphones feel brand new, even after 7 years of use. Another customer mentioned how their original cushions were flaking off badly, but swapping in these replacements was a straightforward process that revived their headphones completely. They fit perfectly, and the comfort level during long sessions is impressive, whether you're mixing tracks or just enjoying your favorite playlist on the go. What you get with these cushions is more than just a fresh look. The foam provides excellent comfort for extended wear, reducing ear fatigue during long studio hours or commutes. Plus, regular cleaning and care can extend their life for 2 to 3 years, making them a practical investment. If you're an audio engineer, producer, or just someone who values sound quality and comfort, these cushions keep your KRK KNS 6400 headphones performing at their best. If that's you, upgrading your ear cushions is worth a look. The replacement cushions are designed to fit perfectly and install easily, so you can get back to your music without hassle. Try them when you're ready to refresh your headphones without the expense of a new set. Comfort, durability, and a like-new feel, right at your fingertips.